9/11 post experiments, Travis and other scientists say that it shows a significant influence. So a contrail is basically a chemtrail, even if it's a contrail, because chemistry, everything you see is chemistry. So, but a usual combustion gas from an aircraft engine consists of CO2, water, all kinds of nitric oxides, a bit of sulfur, and the aerosols, which we refer to quite a lot when it comes to chemtrails, soot, and other kinds of unburned hydrocarbons. So that's nothing new there. I do know from my experience that aircraft engine over the years have become more and more efficient. And that also states the report that they say that, well, about nearly 100% of the fuel is combusted into all those natural combustion gases. So the soot part is really very limited. There shouldn't be much in there. But on idle conditions, so you have a very low force from the engine, you even have 1% of the fuel that is not combusted. So that gives a bit of more pollution. So the engines become more efficient, so more mileage to the gallon, better noise properties, so reduction of noise, and also, therefore, less pollution. That's what we know. So with respect to the aerosols, they should only be less compared to the time in which I grew up. Another thing goes for the military aircraft, because they use better fuels than the average jet fuels for civil aviation, because they have to perform all round in very dry conditions, in very cold or very hot conditions. So their fuels are added with all kinds of additives to make them better for all these circumstances. So those combustion gases should contain more pollutants, more aerosols of all kinds of substances which we don't know because they're patented. Another thing is about the military fleets. Most of these aircraft are quite old and they are using old engine technology, which means they are more pollutant than modern civil aviation aircraft. That having said, we are looking at the effects of contrails on the climate. So we know about cirrus. Cirrus are ice crystals, usually above 8 kilometers, and it states that 30% of the sky can be clouded with cirrus on average. It's usually less, but it's possible that 30% is clouded. What do we know about cirrus? Well, we know that the Earth absorbs heat, but radiates heat out again. An intermediate modulator is the cloud coverage. So the cloud, being white, may radiate light from the sun out before it hits the surface of the Earth, but also the radiation that has hit the Earth may bounce back because of the clouds. So it works both ways. And the thing is that it is very difficult to say which of these two wins. So is cloud coverage helpful to reduce heating up, or is it not helpful but detrimental? And that debate is still going on. We simply are not sure about it.